Today, we're diving into a product that could potentially solve one of the most common headaches for dashcam users, the YQMAJIM 5-pin 9.8-foot extension cable. Now, if you're like me, you've probably experienced the frustration of dealing with inadequate cable lengths when setting up your rear-view camera. But fear not, because YQMAJIM claims to have the solution. First off, let's talk about the design and build quality. The cable feels sturdy and well-made, with a thickness that suggests durability. The 5-pin male-to-female configuration is compatible with most dashcam rear-view cameras, but it's crucial to pay attention to your camera's pin configuration before purchasing. Installation is advertised as easy, and indeed, it's a straightforward process. Just plug the cable in, and you're good to go. However, it's essential to note that while the cable claims to work with most rear cameras, there may be compatibility issues due to voltage drop after extension. If you encounter such problems, YQMAJIM offers a refund, which is a nice reassurance point. One standout feature of this cable is its pure copper core. This supposedly minimizes signal loss, resulting in more stable performance. Additionally, YQMAJIM offers various lengths and pin configurations to cater to different setups, which is convenient for users with specific needs. Now, onto performance. In my testing, the cable worked as advertised with no noticeable signal degradation or interference. However, as mentioned earlier, results may vary depending on your camera model and setup. It's also worth mentioning that shorter cables tend to offer more stable signals, so keep that in mind when making your purchase. In conclusion, the YQMAJIM 5-pin 9.8-foot extension cable is a promising solution for dashcam users in need of extra length for their rear-view cameras. With its sturdy build, easy installation, and promise of stable performance, it's definitely worth considering if you're struggling with cable length issues. Just remember to double-check your camera's pin configuration and be prepared for potential compatibility issues. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.